Good morning, everybody. It is a good morning. It's Friday, last day of the week to trade. Excited to see what we can do today. What kind of damage can we make in the markets today? Looking at the opening here, we're just going to get right into it. We've got about 13 minutes until the market opens, so let's get down to business. Today we're going to be really careful. Like I said, it's Friday protocol, so that means we're going to be less willing to risk it on a trade. It has to be a really good setup in order for me to take it. I don't want to go into the weekend with a loss, so let's see what we can find. Let's first start on a daily chart. Let's go over here. We had this fair value gap as a draw for this week potentially. This bearish fair value gap on a daily chart. That's been kind of my draw for the week. You can see we're starting to draw up into it. This was a nice little gap up that we had. We barely took out yesterday's high. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of difficult to see the high on this candle up here, right here. That high is 29,707.50. This is 29,707.25, so it barely missed it. So this is our draw on liquidity. I think that it's going to be bullish today. We'll see what we get at open. I'd like to see some kind of a move lower and then go higher. Not like this, but you know what I mean. Take out some liquidity, move higher towards this bearish fair value gap on the daily chart. Let's see here. Yep, barely missed it. You have relative equal highs right there. These are our 15-minute liquidity pools. We have some sell side below here. These are nice relative equal lows right here. And then you have the low here. So those are really the levels that I'm interested in today. This is the low of yesterday. This is the high. So that's our range for this morning. Let's see. Let's get a measurement on that. Yeah, right below 50% or right above 50% is where these highs are. So we'll take a look at that. We'll see what that looks like. Yesterday at 4 o'clock, we've kind of just been going back and forth, ranging in this area, consolidating. Let's go down to a 5-minute chart. You got this low. Yeah, so here's our pre-market session lows from around 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock. You've got these nice smooth lows. They're in close proximity to each other. We just swept a high here. So I would assume at market open, it's going to want to seek liquidity lower. That's what I'm anticipating, is it to seek price lower and then trade higher towards this buy side liquidity and this daily fair value gap. That's kind of our target for today. We do have some news. Looking at that, we have news at 9:45 Chicago PMI, and then we have 10 a.m. We've got a lot of news at 10 o'clock. So we have Fed Chair Warsh speaking, and a couple payroll, consumer sentiment, and inflation expectations, as well as Jackson Hole Symposium. So it is a most likely a seek and destroy day. I actually tend to do pretty well in these days, just because it's constantly seeking liquidity. So that's when my model does really well. So and I guess for me it's obvious when it's a sweep in these kind of days. So sometimes I'll be able to take a couple trades within the session, but we'll see what we get here. Open. We've got 8 minutes left. Let's go to a 1 minute chart. Let's get a measurement here from around 7 o'clock to here to 9 o'clock is where we're looking at. It's 9:01. Okay, that's the high. Let's go. Nice. Oops. Standard deviations. That's a nice level. You also have a nice level right here that lines up with it, and that lines up with it almost perfectly. So very nice. We like that. We like that. This is the event horizon between the two levels. The only thing that I am worried about is on the daily chart. We've had 1, 2, 3 up close days. So basically Tuesday was, or Monday was the low of the day, and then we've kind of just traded higher, but the daily ranges have not been very large. So it's like a smaller candle, smaller candle, smaller candle. So we could potentially have a larger up close on Friday, or it could be very, very small as well. Seeking this buy side, that might be the entire daily candle right there. I am tired today. We're just gonna wait to see what it does here. Open. Before it opens, I'm actually gonna go grab a drink. I'll be right back. That way I have something to sip on while we're sitting here at the charts. Give me just a minute. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab a drink. Okay, I'm back. Got my Gatorade, and we're ready to trade. We're locked and loaded. We got our account all ready to go. It's already headed towards that low. Had to run down the stairs. I'm out of breath now. Like I said, today's a chill day. We're just gonna sit here, we're gonna watch the charts. If I don't like what I see, we're gonna go to paper trade and we'll paper trade it. I'm not gonna push it today, especially where it's Jackson Hole and it's a Friday. We'll see what we get. If I see a setup that I like, I'll take it. We've got 3 minutes, 2 minutes till the open. 2 minutes till the open. I actually have a good feeling about today. I think we're gonna do good. I think we're gonna do very, very well today. Keep to our rules, trade our model. It's easy. It's as easy as it gets. I have liked what I've seen the last couple days in price action. It's been really nice trading the last 2 days. So especially in the morning session, I really like that. Sometimes the morning session can be really difficult. In the summer months of like July and August, July wasn't too bad. August was really, really difficult. I've had to really leverage down and be more selective in my trading. Whereas in the spring and the fall, it's a little more loose, nice, clean price action. Man. We'll see if we get some nice price action here today. I would hope so. Let's switch this to, there we go. 5-minute chart, and then we got our handy dandy 1-minute chart. I never trust trading it right at 9:30. Like, I usually know where it's gonna go. Like right here, it's gonna go down to those lows. Just like that. Like, I know exactly where it's gonna go. It's just I don't trust trading it just because it can get so wild at the open. Take out those relative equal lows that we had marked out on our 5-minute chart from pre-market session. Like here, that's so easy to see. It's a fair value gap going lower right before market open. Like that's an easy trade right there. Hard to execute, but easy trade. It's already in close proximity. Nice. I don't think it's done yet. I don't think it's going to leave those relative equal lows. I think it'll go down to that sell side, then that next sell side. There you go. Easy. Easy peasy. This week we've done a really good job of knowing where the market's going to go and anticipating where it's going to go, what it's going to do open. We've done a really good job of that this week. We'll keep it up next week. I think I have a little bit better grasp on where the market's at and what it's trying to do right now. So it's always nice as a trader to see your analysis work out. Gives you a lot more confidence when you go into a trade. So we're starting to build that confidence back up for what the fall months will look like. That's nice. That's a nice little sweep right there. Could potentially go long here. This is a potential long right there. If you're looking for like a really early entry, that's a nice entry right here on a 1 minute chart. I'm looking at the 5 minute chart. I'm gonna require a up close candle above either this low or that low. I'll take that one off the charts because that one's done right now. See if it wants to go just a little bit lower. Yep, there you go. We're only 3 minutes into this. That's 9:30. This is 9:31. This is the first presented fair value gap of the morning session. That can be our inversion level. By that. Aim for these highs. It's done its damage. Everybody who was long through here has been taken out. So now we can target these buy-side liquidity pools. We'll target this first one since we only have one contract. I would like to hold it all the way to the buy side. Stop is placed at the low, 1 tick or 2 ticks above it. And we'll see what it wants to do. I like this setup. We'll see how it wants to use this small inversion fair value gap, this blue shaded area. We'll see how it wants to use that. I would like to see it use it as rocket fuel and move higher. That way at 10 o'clock, it kind of just is kind of like a wow moment. I think that 10 o'clock has that potential to be a wow movement, like wow, that moved a lot at 10 o'clock. So very nice reaction right there. Beautiful. So remember, we have 10 o'clock news. Right here we have high impact news. At 10 o'clock. Very nice movement so far. See how it used this in this first presented fair value gap. It traded down and then it inverted it, traded above it, and then it just dipped into it once, twice, and then now it's expanding higher. Kind of use that as like a springboard. Really nice reaction right there. I don't expect it to go all the way up to this buy side like really fast. I think that it will do it by 10 o'clock though. So I don't think it'll be a straight shot. It wasn't a straight shot yesterday, so I'm not expecting it to be a straight shot today. It'll come back, it'll probably create a fair value gap right here, and we'll get a little reaction off of that, I think. Make this blue. There we go. It's actually smaller than that. Right there. If it could dip into that, then expand higher, that'd be really nice. Or it could just keep on going. I'd be good with that too. We're positioned well for this. This is a really nice trade right here. Caught the bottom. If you go back in the stream, you'll see that I called this as the reversal. It kind of dipped down right here, just a little bit below that low, and then I wanted to see a candle close above this first presented fair value gap. This is where it closed strongly, so I waited for it to come down just a little bit. Almost touched this. I wanted to get a decent fill, so I entered the market right here. Now we're expanding higher towards this buy side liquidity. Really nice trade. So on a 5-minute chart, take your attention to this. I want to see it completely use that. See how it just kind of dipped into that, and now we want to see it expand higher. I don't want to see it create those relative equal highs like it did before. I'm going to trail my stop just right below. We'll get rid of this sell side liquidity right here. Right below this first presented fair value gap. I don't want to see it really come back against me, especially right here. I'm going to move it just in a little bit of a profit. We're close enough. Where we have this, I'm inclined to just close the trade. I don't feel where it's just one contract, you have to take base hits. This is my target. I'm in profit. I don't have to have it reach here in order to be profitable. I know where it's gonna go. I close my trade. Look at that. It's gonna go right to it. When you're trading with one contract, you just have to take profits where you can. And I felt good about taking a profit right there, just because we were in profit. If I was on my full contract, I would have taken a partial there, just taken something off, make me feel good, and then held for here. Went right to where we wanted it to. Perfect trade. Perfect trade. Called the reversal down here at the bottom. Traded up into here. Now it really doesn't have any reason not to go up into this buy side. This one, it should expand into this one very quickly. Take everybody short, or everybody who's been going short. Take out those stop losses. Do maximum damage. I think today's a maximum damage day. We made our burrito money for the day. That's what I'm talking about. Didn't mark this yellow. This was used as an inversion level, like I showed you. It kind of came down, touched the midpoint of that, and then expanded higher. Really nice. Should tap into that higher buy side liquidity pool that we have marked on our charts. Like I said, this week we really got in sync with the market and what it's wanting to do. So I feel really good going into next week. This makes me excited. I am so ready for good trading days. Man, it's like Christmas. If I had my full position, I would have taken off most of my, I would have had 5 contracts on. I would have taken off 1 right here, taken off 3 right here, and then held for here. Trailed my stop loss really aggressive to the bottom of this fair value gap, right at the bottom of this candle. So I would have placed my stop loss right here. I'm just kind of mentally going through this for next week, because next week we can start using more leverage. I'll feel confident about going to like 2 contracts. We'll slowly build it up. So I like this. I like what the charts are doing now that we're getting into September. I don't know why. I saw that Dolly Parton died, so don't know why, but this morning the song 925 is stuck in my head. It's a jam though. Working 9 to 5. It's a good vibe today. It's a good trading day. Doesn't get any better than this. I'm interested to see if anybody else, any of the other YouTube traders went long here. I want to see if they, I'll be interested to watch some of their streams later and see who got wrecked and who was profitable in this trade, or if anybody took this trade. It'd be interesting to see. You always try to support other YouTubers. It's not easy. It's one thing I've learned is it's not easy to get in front of people and trade. You're managing trading, but you're also managing a stream. It's difficult. If you can do it well, it's pretty awesome to watch. I don't think that I do it well yet. We're still learning. But we're getting there. I mean, we're calling market moves. We called the last 3 days really well. I'm happy with it. We're vibing. I've got Dolly Parton in my head playing. You guys got some music in the stream. Let me know if you like the music, or if you want me to change it up a little bit. We can try to find some different music. This is kind of like a lo-fi type vibe, like a chill vibe. So if you want something different, I can try to find something that maybe matches you guys' style a little bit. My style of trading is I want to be as calm as possible. So I don't want it to interfere with like my trading, but this is for you guys. So if you guys want to switch it up, just let me know. I'll be happy to try to find something a little bit different, get a different vibe. We could get some heavy metal. That'd be crazy for a morning. It's just coming down into this fair value gap. My stop would have been placed right here, like I said. It probably is going to take that out, because we have this news at 10 o'clock, remember? So we'll watch that and see what that does. I think people are about to get wrecked if they're still in a trade. Working 9 to 5. I think that's the words to that song. I don't even know. That's just what's coming to my head. I'm gonna log out of my trading account, and we're gonna go to paper trade. Let's do some fun stuff. Let's go to a 1-minute chart. We're gonna go to a 15-second chart. We're gonna scalp the crap out of this. Very, very nice. We'll wait for a nice little model to show here. Sweep of liquidity, low. As soon as this candle closes, we could sell short just a little bit. Get all of our bad trading out. This is all of our bad trading, waiting for a good trade. There we go. Scalp the crap out of this. There we go. I could sit here on a 15-second chart and scalp the crap out of this. This is good movement. Like, I feel so good about this. I could literally make $1,000 in 5 minutes. Doing exactly this. Took out sell side. Let's see if we can get a up close candle above that. If we do, then we'll go long. I want to see it close above that. See how it just left that buy side right here? I'm going to take this one off now. See how it left this buy side? It'll come back to it, probably for the news. If we can get a candle closure up, we'll go long. Came down into this, model 2022. Could sell short right here. Trade to this inefficiency. That inversion level. Man, I could scalp the crap out of this. Really nice reaction off of this. We'll move our sell side here. We've got another one right here, so if we invert this, tap into it, we'll go short. Our previous low is right there. Right there. So if we get a candle closure above that, then we'll go long. Nice, this is where we can go short. Took out that low, I don't want to go short on that. The next level is here. We'll go wait for this candle. I want to see if this candle closes higher. We're gonna buy that. Stop loss is right there. Take profit. We'll go 200. Close that. This is gonna go with lower. Take profit here. First loss. If it comes down and touches this, I'll go long. Right there. Try to go long. Right there. Touched it, didn't close out our trade for some reason. This is where you go short. If this is a sweep on these stops right here, you can see it hit our level, it just didn't take us out. Stupid trading view. Next level is here. That's really frustrating. Went right to my order. Happens. Nice little dip there into this inversion level. Now we want to see it trade lower. Bumped it. Remember, we have news at 10 o'clock. I'm getting all of my trades out here. This is just a very, very short-term scalping idea. Very quick, snappy. It's a really great trading tool or drill to do. See how it just bumped that? Really nice. I want to see it, if it's going to go lower right here. It's kind of just trading sideways until we get to this news. We'll close it right here. Trade it up, yep. We've got that sweep. We're going to go long here for this high right here. See if we can get up into that. We'll take a partial right here. We'll sell 5. Dipped into that inversion level again. Really nice reaction right there off the midpoint. Now see it expand higher. Again, this is a 1 minute chart, folks. This is a 1 minute chart. This is a 15-second chart. I think people are about to get wrecked right here at this news event. See how we created these relative equal highs? That's where it should go next. See how it's just playing with this level? Man, people are about to get wrecked. Here's the news event that comes out. We're like a minute and a half away from it. If we can eke out a small profit on this one, I'll close it. Should go to these relative equal highs though. See how it's just playing with this level? It's on the top side of it and it's just playing with the top side levels. The top part, the middle part. That's really what I'm looking for. There we go. Nice. Trail stop. Wait for it to come up into this buy side. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. And I think it's going to expand wildly. Squeak by right there for me. Come on, go just a little bit higher. And we'll close it. We're scalping. We've got 10 seconds till the open of this news. We'll see what it wants to do. Nice strong drop lower here. Let's see if we take out those lows. Yep, that's exactly what we did at 10 o'clock. Trade long. Come on, TradingView. It's so delayed. There we go. Take profit is up here. Stop loss is below these lows. Come on, bump it. I know you want to go higher. I don't want to see it trade below that level. So we'll lock in profit no matter what. Man, TradingView is just being so slow. Come on. This is terrible service. Close the trade. Wow, it's not gonna let us close the trade? That's so dumb. Come on, TradingView. You gotta fix your crap. Let's see, did it give us a profit? It only gave us 550. Stupid. Should have taken us out right here. Instead it took us out like clear down here. Okay, TradingView. Still though, I mean, we're in the money. Scalping like this, gotta make quick decisions. Like here, if hits this one more time, you could go long again, go for this buy side. It barely touched it right here at the beginning of the news, so I think it'll use this again. I think this is just faking out all the traders that are going long. We got a nice reaction right here, inverted this level, took a long, traded to the buy side. TradingView didn't let us get it out when we wanted it to, so we only got a partial profit down here, which is fine. Again, this is a 15-second chart. There's not a lot of people that I see that do this or attempt to even try it live. Really nice reaction off of this as well. Boom. Beautiful. Man, I'm reading price action like a book today. Now you have sell side below these lows right here. Created this kind of tweezer low right here. And then you have first presented fair value gap below that. Sell that. Come on, TradingView. I'm trying to sell, but TradingView is not letting the orders go through. That is really frustrating. Yep. I mean, we're calling levels. I just gotta close this now because I don't know how long it's gonna take to close it. Like, I know it's gonna go to this first presented fair value gap, touch that, and then go higher. Like, but it won't let me close for some reason. Come on, TradingView. Now it's gonna take me out in a loss. Come on. We log out and then log back in. Okay. Now we can go long here. Buy 5. Let's see if it'll let us get into a trade. Like, come on. Go up to that buy side. Wow, this is annoying. Come on, TradingView. Terrible. Can't do anything, like I can't close my trade or anything. That's really annoying as freak. Yeah, I know, let me close my freaking trade. You're making me lose money. TradingView. Close the trade. Whatever. It's gonna go for these low. Yeah, it's gonna go for that low right here. I literally can't close my trade. Wow. And I can't do anything about it. Like, it's literally like 10 minutes behind. Oh, now you close it. Okay. Took a huge loss in my equity just because of that. That's dumb. And it won't let me close this limit order out. Trade down to these lows. Still keeping this one on the chart. We had this news at 10 o'clock. Remember, it's seek and destroy. So go here, trade below here, and then trade higher. Nice. Nice, nice. If paper trading could get their, or TradingView get their paper trading to work a lot better, this would be awesome. But I just don't want to keep taking trades like there. Okay, now it's responsive. There you go. Easy. Reading it like a book. Got your model 2022 right here. First presented fair value gap. We're going to put another contract on that. Buy it. Boom. We'll sell 5 at that level right there. Nice. This is on a 15-second chart. I don't see a lot of people doing this. This is one of my things that I like to do, is go down to a 15-second chart and scalp it. And then watch, as soon as I say that, I'll take a loss. Working 9 to 5. It'll take me out here. Wanted to see if I could catch it long. Kind of had this nice little sweep here, model 2022 on a 15-second chart. Didn't quite give it to us. And it should take us out right here, quick and easy. I'm not gonna move my stop loss. I'll let it take me out if it's gonna take me out. There you go, easy. Easy loss. Didn't lose anything. Now let's go up to a 5-minute chart. Now that we got all of our scalping out of us. We've got this low. And we've got this low. So we've already traded through here and here. Trade down to these levels. Dang, TradingView is so delayed. It's crazy. Come on, TradingView. Super delayed. Every click is just like super delayed. It's really bothering me. Yeah. Go to that new day opening gap right there. Chilling that stop loss just a little bit. Still super delayed. See if we can get that level right there. Not quite. We'll take that. Nice little scalping drill. Practice entries, reading the markets. I'm still going to keep these levels on because I think they'll play a part in what it'll do next. Right now I'm watching this level right here as a potential inversion level. Trade above it, come back, touch it, trade higher. If it just uses this rebalance and then comes back down, it could also do that. This is kind of like one of those decision areas. Very nice. We like that. If it can close above it, that'd be awesome. Nice. There we go. Oh, buy that. Still, trading view is still just a little bit slow. Place it at the low of that fair value gap, that inversion level. Trading towards this high. Sell 5, sell 3, right there. Another nice little dip into that inversion level. Now it should expand higher. There we go. Nice. We're gonna roll our stop. Would like to see it continue up here. Come down, touch this area, expand. There we go. Yep, just like that. Touch right there, expand. Let's get into the details. Right there. That's what I was looking for. Touch that, expand. Get up into here. We're gonna trail our stop just right there. 1, 2 ticks above it. There we go. Easy scalping, man. It's also probably the turning point. It's probably gonna go up into here now. If we can get above this first presented fair value gap, then it will trade to this buy side. But I think we did enough this morning. We've made quite a bit of paper trading money. We lost a lot when TradingView wouldn't let us close the trade, unfortunately. So in this move here, wouldn't let us close the trade. So I think we were up like $1,700, and then TradingView kind of slipped us with that at the news, and then it's kind of just been building back up. Got down to 500, now we're back up to 9 something in the last couple minutes. So easy scalping there. We'll go back up to a 1 minute chart, and this will be our 5 minute chart. It's probably going to go up to this buy side liquidity now. We swept all of these lows. Swept the low. Look at a 3 minute chart, even better. Right here could be your entry. Right. We're gonna go 5 contracts. Sure, we'll go 6. Entry right there. Stop loss below this inversion fair value gap, and we're gonna long up into here. I'm gonna place it 1-2 ticks above it. And I'm gonna let this run, and I think we're gonna end the stream here. We're gonna end on a cliffhanger. So really good trading this morning for a Friday. We followed our model. We called exactly where the turning point was over here on a 5 minute chart right here. At open, we traded towards this buy side liquidity right here, got it, and then we started scalping down through here, and now we're starting to trade higher. So this is your seek and destroy. We seeked, we destroyed, now we're trading back higher. I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm gonna let the charts run, and we will catch you guys next week. I will be going live on Monday, so if you want to join the stream, please do. We'll see you there. Thanks everybody. Have a great weekend and great trading. We'll talk to you later.